you weren't gonna tell me you were ready, man.
I ain't got no line.
Hey, it don't make no difference. I got to get a hold of you today, man. I've been waiting about a year or so. Hey, I don't need them high. Yeah, that's what I need. This thing put together, man. Hey, you said you was coming with it too. There was Z's down, man. There was Z's down. What you got right there? Audio 8, just. Yo, I check him out. What's up with it, man?
What up, man?
Yes, sir, man. I ain't meet you last time. I think we left before I seen you, man. Yeah, man. Keeping it busy, man. That's it. And they cutting up, though. I like the price on them, too, though. Yeah, I really like the price. I know John fooled with folks. Yeah.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.